I have the Fundations alphabet chart here, and I got a request from a former coworker as well as a couple of parents asking me to go through the chart to make sure that they're doing the correct sound pronunciation as they review it with their child. So I'm just going to take a second to go through it quickly with you guys. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, O. M, man, N, nut, N. O, octopus, Ah. P, pan, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rat, S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. Now, sometimes the confusion comes in. I'll go ahead and use R as an example. Sometimes people will go through this and they will say R, rat, R. The sound that R makes is not R, it's When you add that extra sound, it's called schwa-ing. And it gets confusing because when kids try to spell the word rat later and they're sounding it out, if they were to sound it out at, they would end up writing the letter U in there. Of course, you and I know that there's no U in there. It would be R-A-T, so the correct sounds would be at. And when we blend it together, we would get rat. You see this a lot with R, L, M, N. People want to go L, M, N. But again, it's ol, N. You want to make sure that you take that sound out of the end of it. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions, you can contact me.